Hello, we have a lot of people asking, can the Mini Easy Press be used with infusible ink products? So I have this wonderful makeup bag from the Festival of Light mystery box, and I also have this infusible ink sheet from another mystery box of the past, and here is my Mini Easy Press. So these are three things to get started. I'm going to use my Cricut Joy, and I'm going to use my Cricut app on my iPhone, and I'm going to select a positive design or a design with a quote, the one you saw earlier. So I chose phase, and here I'm scrolling through the designs that are in design space. Once I selected my design, I wanted to make sure that it was the proper size so that it's easier to press. I hit edit, and here I'm manually changing the height because it's easier than dragging the box on the phone because I have some thumpy fingers. Here I'm choosing a longer mat because I'm not sure where I placed my smaller mat, but it will still do the job. So don't forget to mirror because this is infusible ink. So since you're ironing it on, you need to mirror for this product. Here I'm selecting the settings. I'm typing in infuse so I could select the infusible ink transfer sheet and start cutting. So here I'm going to speed up a little bit. There is a Cricut heat guide that tells you how long you should be pressing and the material you need. Here's my design. You could just weed it off with your finger. If there's smaller pieces, you could use the weeder to help you prick it off, but you should be able to peel it off like a sticker. So here I'm putting the placement inside the bag. I have a mini easy press mat. It's optional, it's not necessary, but I like to do it. So typically I do like to put the butcher paper, and since I didn't have butcher paper with me, I just used the copy paper. And I slipped it inside, but I forgot to slip it. So halfway through the press, you will see I put it back in. Excuse me. I fold the paper in half so I remember which section I'm pressing. So here you'll see I have my easy press already on, and I'm going to press one side first for 75 seconds. I'm going to speed it up a little bit, and then I'm going to press the other side. Again, I typically do like to put some butcher paper or a piece of copy paper inside the bag as well, just to protect my mat in case it leaks through. The Cricut lining bag or the makeup bag so far has not leaked through, so it's okay, but just my own comfort, I like to put in between sheets. I call it protector sheets to protect my my heat press and my mat. So here I pressed one side, and now I'm pressing the other side. And I'm pressing it for 75 seconds. And when you peel, you want to peel it quick. There is another option if you tend to move around a lot or move your items a lot and you don't want ghosting. You could put heat transfer tape so that it will stay in place. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe. I have links in my description. If you want to purchase this directly from Cricut, please consider using my affiliated link. Thank you.